YouTube. Today we're going to be doing a 1-year update on my Lushwhips car mats. I've had them for a whole year. I took them out. I daily the car, so how you're going to see it is how it was from the first time I showed you, and I'm actually going to go over how to install them for people that are having some issues installing them. So here we go. All right, so this is how they look now. The reason they are so shiny because I just cleaned them, and yes, that is not something that's on the mat. That is the mat. So at a year, you can see this is worn in. I'm gonna see if I can repair it. If I can, I will show you that update as well. So as you can see, this is how my mats look. That's my car mats. I have my, as you can see, they're in the car still. I'm gonna actually vacuum it, and I'm gonna put this back in. So also have the rears as well. So some people, this will annoy them. To me, it doesn't. Just a little bit of a gap right here, but this is how they look after a year. I'm gonna shoot across to show passenger side. Same deal. I don't have to lift up the passenger side just because there's nothing under there. Well, see, like it's brand new. But yeah, so pretty much this is how the mat. Well, it's folded up a little bit when you get them, but when you unfold them and put them in, this is how the mat contours to the 2015 plus models for Dodge Chargers. Pretty sure the 2020 hasn't changed as much either, but you see the bottom of them still, they look the way they look the day they came out of the packaging. So, all right, pretty much you want to make sure you get it under the gas pedal, under the brake pedal, and then they just slide. They pretty much slide right in. Now this part right here, see this goes in between here. It comes with extra pieces. If you want, you can, they're like clips that they'll stick on one side and the other side, but I didn't use mine. I mean, the way I ride, it's comfortable for me, and it fits in like perfect to me. Like, so matter of fact, I take that back. Here's a clip right here. So it slides on the edge. You get a couple of these in your order when you order the Lushwhips, or diamond mats. They're the same thing, I believe, but pretty sure they come with some clips like this. You put the sides that have like little teeth in it on the mat, and you position it wherever you feel it doesn't hug to the interior of the car. You can see it goes there, just like that. And wherever you see the buttons, those are clips on the other side. Those are retractable clips. You can have them in or out. Depends on how you want to use your mats for just car shows. With some of my good buddies, they use them for car shows only. They want to just keep them, you can get the full use out of them, which that way, I don't think these things will ever get old. Like I said, this is how the mat looks from being in my car for a year. So granted, I'm not like a stone worker or someone that's like in heavy construction working or something like that. For those, you know, I mean, you pick what you feel is gonna last for the duration of, you know, a couple years or so. And the way this looks, I'll have these in my car for a couple years. Like, I don't see myself getting rid of these. And two, when I'm not at work and I'm driving my car, I ride in like flip-flops or something. I put my shoes in the back and I slide out of my flip-flops, and this stuff is so nice. It feels good. So yeah, hope you like the video and the install. And while I'm at it, let me just go ahead and let me just do this for you right quick. This is nothing holding these in. It just fits into the bottom of the car, bottom of the back seat, sorry. I'm doing this with one hand, so sorry for the angles. There you have it. Like I said, nobody really rides in the back seat. I have my little sister and nephews in the car sometimes, but I mean, there you go. These things still look like identical to the way they came when they were brand new. So, and as you can see, a little bit of debris, just a little bit of dust. Nothing a quick vacuum won't fix. The main part is, like, these in the back have not been taken out since I put them in my car. So yeah, this is a year's worth of just getting in and out of the car, stuff like that. So I vacuumed this, put them back in, and yeah. All right, guys, so the back of the car has been vacuumed out after a year's worth of dirt and stuff got underneath the Lushwhips car mats. So here we go. We'll try to put these back in with one hand. Honestly, the U is gonna go like this. So I'm gonna put them in the same way like this, and then it's gonna contour back into the ways of the car, of the back seat. All right, sorry about that. So you see this? Here's another one of those circles. So these have the flaps. I put those in last. First I get it seated in properly. You see that? See that U? It's cut out for the center console, like so. This part, you can either fold like that, like so. And then here, you just fold it like that. Fold that up. And boom. It's just like that. You're seeing more of it now because I moved my seat up. So all it goes up until that part. But as you can see, like, yeah, I'm not that short, so. Same thing over here. These two flaps. Put it back under. This one. Put it back under. Right here. There's one here. I didn't use it on the other side. I'm not gonna use it on this side. I usually just slide it right under the seat. I mean, if you wanted to, you could slide that in there. But you see how that looks, so. It takes a little bit of, a little bit more work, but there you go. So that's how my Lushwhips car mats look after a year of use. Been on a couple trips, been out of town, and this is like the most, this is the just comfortable, amazing ride. These mats make the car feel more of a luxury sports sedan than just, you know, power sedan or whatever people are deeming these things. Muscle cars, muscle sedans. There's nothing tame about this car. Even in eco mode, these cars still move and you still hear that exhaust and everything. So yeah, I love this car. Love the interior that it comes with already. So this is just a compliment. Kind of goes with what's in the door a little bit. I wish I had got these with the tan stitching, so it probably would have matched more with the door handles and just the door inserts. Sorry, not door handles. But yeah, you can see how it looks. But I hope I clarified some stuff for some people wanting to see install on how the mats go in the car. I hope I was clear enough when I explained the clips, the circles. There's even some back here. Do the same thing. Like, you literally just fold it up and slide it into the side like that. And it sits pretty smooth in there. So, all right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the install and update on my Lushwhips after a year. Definitely order yourself some and enjoy the ride, man. I know I am. Later. Also, this is what I use. This is the product I use that I took care of my mats for the whole entire year. I don't know if you can make out the reading on the bottle, but it is Meguiar's Mirror Bright Leather Lotion. This cloth is not dirty. It's just dark like that and looks dingy from just the lotion being rubbed on the mats and all that stuff. As far as I know, these mats don't bleed, anything like that. I don't wear white jeans or white clothes very often, and when I have, I've been in my wife's vehicle, so I mean, I highly doubt these mats would bleed up into your clothes. Got jeans and lighter clothes I do wear when I drive this car sometimes, and none of that's happened to my clothes. So in case anybody was wondering about that, these do not bleed, and they're awesome. For one last time, they're awesome. All right, later.